Today we're unboxing the 1/18 scale Haiboxing 18859 and doing the first run of it, and that's coming up next here on Jesse B Motors. Don't forget, if you like videos like this, to hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell. Welcome back, everybody, and we're back with one of my favorite budget companies for RCs, Haiboxing. So far, every Haiboxing I've had like 5 or 6 of them now. They've all been fun. They've all been durable. They're a great beginner RC. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed and see what comes with it, and then we're going to take it outside and run it. Now, there's a couple things I want to go over before we do open this up. We're going to flip it through the side here and look at some of the highlights. This is a 4-wheel center drive shaft, gear disc front and rear, 2 gigahertz for the radio, splash-proof electronics, which in this version, they're new updated electronics, independent suspension all the way around. The shocks do have a threaded ring, but they're still friction shocks. They're not oil-filled. And then it has the anti-skid high-grip tires, metal drive shafts, and then it has ball bearings throughout, which I've always liked about it. Soft pack LiPo battery. That's one thing I like about the Haiboxings. They come with the LiPo. And then it's going to have the headlights that are LED as a free present for you. And then these things, if you want to know the colors, they come in the green, orange, blue, and red. And that's all going to be with the black. I got the orange one. Let's go ahead and open this up and get it out. Okay, now we're going to open this up real quick. And this one looks like it's packaged a little bit different than the other Haiboxings I've had. I kind of liked about the Haiboxing is their instruction manuals. They're pretty good with pictures, give you all you need to know. And then if you go to the back, usually they got the exploded diagrams right there that you can see. That's a real nice touch. And then they always give you the part numbers too, so you can order the parts you need. That's always a great thing about Haiboxing with their things. We'll go ahead and open this up here. We've got our truck right on top. And then we'll open this up, and it looks like our remote's on the bottom. Get this all opened up here. And we're going to go ahead, since I got a controller first here. This controller, I really like. It's small and compact, and a lot of people don't like that, but what I like about it is if you go out traveling, this thing is easy to throw in a bag. You got your on-off switch right here, and then you got your steering trim right here. It just has a plastic steering wheel, trigger, and then on the top here, you got your slow or normal mode, which is nice for if you got a beginner or a young kid that you're trying to teach. And then you got your steering reverse right there. And then if you open up the bottom here, if I can remember how to do it, it just pops out right there. And it takes 2 AA batteries. That is all on the remote. Pretty basic, and it's good. So now let's go ahead. I'm going to rip open this bag here real quick. And one thing we got here is extra clips. And I like that they went to the little pull tabs on them. That's a nice touch. A lot of new Haiboxings come with that. And then you got your LiPo battery here. Looks like it's a 850 milliamp hour, 7.4 volt. That's a real nice touch that they're all coming with that now. And then you got the charger for it. I'll be using a hobby grade charger like I always do. So next, let's check the truck out. Now we got the truck out. The first thing I want to look at is the body. And I'm going to pop this body off here. And I can tell you right now, another thing with Haiboxing is they knock it out of the ballpark with the paint jobs on these. And then also, what you want to do, you can see right there, this has got the film on it, so make sure you take that film off. I'll just peel it up a little bit more so you can see it. You want to peel this off before you put your stickers on, because if you put your stickers on and go to rip that off, you're going to rip your stickers right off. But man, this thing is a great looking body. Really like that. So now we're going to go ahead, and one thing I can see that I like already over the last versions of this. Now, I had the original Hailstorm, and the LED lights I had to put in myself, and I had a little issue with them. They already come pre-installed already on this version. Really like that. Here you can see this is the threaded part for the new shocks, and they are just a friction shock. They're not oil filled at all. You can see right there, we got the metal drive shafts. Looks like we still got plastic drive cups in there, but we do got the metal drive shafts on it now. And then we come to the new ESC receiver here, and this is a new version of it. The bad thing about it is it's still a 5-wire servo, so if you wanted to upgrade this at all, you would have to get a different ESC radio on it. And then another thing I've always liked about the Haiboxings here is they got the little motor here and they put a heat sink on it. That's a really nice touch that they put the heat sink on these to try to keep the motor cool for you. They got the nice cross brace on here. That's a nice touch. We'll move to the rear. See, we still got the metal shocks in the rear here. Plastic drive cup still. Same style shocks. And then we got our second battery already installed in here. And like I said, this is a real nice touch that Haiboxing started doing. They went to LiPos and they give you 2 of them. I really like that about it. And then if we look at the bottom here, you can just see it's just a nice smooth pan. You got the skid plates and the bumpers here. They look like everything front and back bolts up about the same. The one thing I really like about Haiboxing is if you do need to fix something, you can usually get parts. I found them on eBay, Amazon, and I think also Banggood carries parts for these. So if you ever need parts for them, that's where you'll get them from. I've